thinking about what video I should do today. Should I do Minecraft, Formula 1, Aeroplane, or maybe FIFA, Sims Tapped Out, or a random vlog, or maybe a random video I don't normally do. All I know is this is the channel to be on, and it's called Miner F1. Hello, citizens of Europe and America. This is Miner F1, and today I will be opening one pack with these coins. Dun, dun, dun. So anyway, let's get down to business. I just spent like the last 2 hours building a full German team, but it was awesome. And I used to have Rooney, but I sold him, and I have How am I gonna get that many? I need that. Extra rare in it. That's it. Pausing this video. Bye guys, I'll have 15,000 coins soon. Sorry guys, when I was saying earlier that I had a all German squad, I don't. I just have a mix of Dortmund and Bayern players. Some of the players are international, but they all play for either Bayern or Dortmund. So I got a 100 chemistry squad. Yeah, so I'm gonna pause, play a few matches, get coins, and then open one of those super packs. Right, we are back with 17,000 coins. So basically, I sold a few players. No, I was selling them anyway. People just bought them, so I'm so excited about this now, boys. It's gonna be the best moment of my life. Please be good. Please be good. Please be good. Please, I pray. God, give me a good player. What? No! Oh, these contracts are nice. Whoa, look at all the stuff I got. Oh, Hamsick can go on the transfer market. Place on transfer market. Compare price there. Wow. Wow. He's not worth anything. God's sake. Why don't I ever get good players? Packs, like I'm so unlucky in packs. Submit. These guys. Oh, he's Bayern Munich. I'm looking for Bayern Munich people. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, but I still submitted him. That was the worst pack ever. Oh, why did I spend money on a pack? I could have bought so many. Not Martins. Still, why did I spend money on a pack? Especially a really crap one, like. I'll list these. Anyone will take that, it's like 350. Like, oh, I'm so lucky I got a contract for 350. 300 in there. Oh, actually getting really annoyed with FIFA packs. They're so bad. I'll put this up for 200. This is a manager one. I hate manager. 250, look. Someone will want it. I'm going to keep the really good ones, but whatevs. I'm going to keep the fitness. That's actually good, I'll keep that. No, give me that. Please buy my stuff, people. I fail big time on the... That's Amsterdam Arena. And Goodison Park. People are going to buy them in fairness, come on. Toulouse FC, in case anyone wants it. It's up right now. Store all remaining items in club. Darn! Right, guys. Woeful pack. Might have another one up in a minute. Hopefully. Who knows? Best player I got was Hamsik. He's alright, like, but like, I need better. Alright. Has been minor F1 and it has been my pleasure to make your Saturday better here. Oh, it's already 12:45. I wonder when Saturday's